Welcome back. The Gram Sabha of Kasauli Arosim Kuelim village unanimously resolved to oppose the proposed 5-star hotel project at Arose. The villagers say that the project will affect large number of residents including farmers. The agitated villagers accuse the Panchayat members of supporting illegal projects. However, Sarpanch says Panchayat is with the people.
आमकां मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स ना काय स्पेशली हॉटेलां व्हडी ऑलरेडी गांवां आमगेले एकू वाड्यान 2 हॉटेलां आहाय एकू वाड्यान आमकां आनी हॉटेल ना काय आतां आनी 2 हॉटेल पास जाले गोवा इन एंड दिस कंप्युटर ऑटोमोबाइल्स प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हे दोनी आनी 2 हॉटेल जाय आमकां आमगे फुडले पिळगेक जमीन ना आनी जमीन ना हे पळय हॉटेल पळय पास केला त्या लोकांक कन्सिडर लोकांक घेवपाक जाय आसले बोगले गांवचो लोक आहा
No, the issue is social tension, first of all. They don't follow the rules and regulations. They keep violating the laws. The STP plants are discharging sewage, raw sewage, when they are overflowing. They don't have sewage management. They don't have proper garbage management. We don't have a proper garbage management in place. So how can we absorb all this on our infrastructure? The road is not 6-meter road. It's a 3-meter road till now.
Sarpanch says Panchayat is with the people.
Resolution gela no mega projects and hotels in our village. In the body meeting as well as in the Gram Sabha.
Panch member yama pudan file
I'm not true. Lok munda mak kai khabar na. Kitte te gela file kitte.
DCP कडे DCP त्यांना परमिशन दिलं तर कॅन्सल करचे तुम्ही किती लेटर
The once the file येईल म्हटरी आम सगळे डिसिजन घेतली आता आमका काही सांगता जायना means we are not there for mega projects.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Ponda Vyapari Sangatna, presently agitating against exorbitant rise in SOPO tax, are highly miffed with Chairperson Radhika Naik. Sangatna has shot back at Radhika Naik as she refused to meet their delegation with memorandum. Chairperson Radhika Naik has termed Sangatna formation as unauthorized. Memorandum demands total rollback of SOPO tax, which should be collected without any hooliganism. Sangatna held a rally from Upper Bazaar to municipality.
5000 जोडीना आम्ही तो 2000 जोडीना महिन्याक तर आमका सोप्याक 5400 रुपये दिवचे पडटा महिन्याक आणि आम्ही तो 2000 जोडीना म्हणजे आज सोपो सुपेरियर झाला आणि आम्ही व्यापारी तर पोट भरपा आयल्या ते जाल्यार
वा 300 पटीन दरवाड केल्या ती त्वरित फाटी घेवची वा जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिला जो सोपो कलेक्ट करतात ते आमच्या सगळ्या वेंडर्सांक आणि ऑफिसर्सांक बरी वागणूक दिनात पोस हे मात्र सीबीआय इन्क्वायरी ताला करूंक लायची हो आमचा डिमांड आसा
5 people wanted to come in, so I refused permission, which was from Ponda Vyapari Sangatna. Now, there is no registration, no letterhead, no nothing. So we will put this to the council and we will see. And up to 10 rupees in the open area.
ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी मातशी काडून उडय ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुझी एकदम वायट आसा नीच आहा आणि ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी जर उरली जाल्यार तूं सगळो मुवमेंट पिड्यार करता लोकांचो रोज तुजेर ओडून घेतले.
India registers emphatic win over England in the second test at Lord's. England was trailing a target of 319 runs, but it was bundled out in 223 runs. Ishant Sharma claimed 7 wickets. This is India's first win since 1986. That is after 28 years, and it is the third overseas win in the last 3 years. This win is also India's second in the last 17 test matches at Lord's. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट.